Hello guys, welcome to day 4. Your portfolio looks great with tables and structured content, but it's missing something crucial: interaction. Today we will create contact form that actually collects information, and by the end of this lesson, visitors will be able to message you directly through your portfolio. Let's get started. Hello once again and welcome back. Forms are how website collects user input. Every form starts with the form tag. Let me create a new file called contact.html and build a simple contact form there. Now that we've created a new file, as usual, I'm going to update this. This is our main objective today. Now, I would import my HTML syntax. As we stated earlier, that forms are how websites collect user input, and we said every form starts with the form tag. This is the form tags. Two key attributes are here: action and method. Action is where the data gets sent, more like a URL or backend script, while method is how data gets sent, either using get or post. Majorly for contact form like this, we almost always use post. Now let's add name field. Notice the label input connection. Four important attributes are here. The very first one is the type, which is text. This symbolizes basically a plain text. You can pick of any of these types displaying on the screen right now to replace your text and see what it works for. The next one is ID, which is full name. This is a unique identifier that matches the label. The next one is name, which is full name. The very next one is required. It makes this field mandatory. And the last one is placeholder, int text. Now save and let's see what we have. Open this in your web browser and this is what we have: full name, and you can enter your name here. You see? Now let's head back to our code editor workspace and add email field with HTML5 validation. Notice that the type that we have here is called email. This automatically checks and validates email format. Let's save this and head to our web page. You see, this is what we have on our web page. Now let's head back and add password. Once you are done, save the work. You will notice I used min length here. This ensures that the minimum character must be 8. Watch what happens if I type less than 8. This is 5 digits. If I click, you see what I have here. Please lengthen this text to 8 character or more. You are currently using 5 character. You see, that's the power of the min length. Head back to your code editor. For longer texts like message, we use text area. Now you would see that we have new attributes here. Rows and column control the size, but we style with CSS later. Save this and head back to your web browser and see what it looks like. You see, this is what we have. You can just type your message here. Heading back to our code editor workspace, there are many other input types. Let me just show you common ones. Now that we are done, hit the save button and let's look at what we have. And this is what it looks like in our web page. Notice something, the radio button that we have only share the same name, but you can highlight only one. And for the checkbox, you can check multiple selections. Now let's add buttons. Head back to your code editor workspace. Right before the closing tag of the form, let's add our button tag. Now, there are three types of button, and these are the three types. We have the submit button to send a message, the reset button to clear the form, and the normal button, which is just a plain button. But we are not using this here today, so I'm going to delete this. Save this and head back to your web browser, and you see what you have. If you click on this send message, if you can remember earlier, we added required to this field. That's why it's asking us to fill out this field. The fields that are required will be mandatory for you to fill before proceeding with submit button. Now let's head back to our code editor and organize our form with field sets for better structure. You can see this is what the result looks like. You can just enter your name here and fill out the form. Once you are done, click on this submit message. This one is required, that's why we cannot submit without filling it. So you go about filling everything you have here, or you can clear the form. You see it has reset the form. So that's how we go about doing this. Now head back to your code editor workspace. Once we've gotten to this extent, let's do something very interesting by integrating what we've learned today into our portfolio. So watch carefully as you code alongside with me. I'll be clearing everything I have here and starting afresh. Once you are done running the code, hit the save button and head back to your web browser. And you can see what it looks like after running in your web browser. You see how amazing it looks like with just a little touch of CSS, but majorly we are focusing on HTML, and this is your form input. Now heading back to your code editor workspace. So today, what have we covered so far? We've learned about form with proper structure and semantics, input type with validations, radio button and checkout for choice, form submission with get versus posts, and accessibility with proper labels. Tomorrow we will make our portfolio to professional level with semantics, HTML and accessibility. You will learn proper structure, ARIA attributes, and make your site work beautifully for everyone. If you are building alongside with us, smash the like button. It helps the channel grow and reach out to a lot of people. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next episode. Share this video with a friend learning web development also. See you tomorrow. Bye.